Guys, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be playing Build a Boat for Treasure, and there's a new update for the game with Easter eggs. Not by the secret ones, the actual Easter eggs from Easter. I don't think this update's going to be out for long, so you better go play this game if you like it. And you can also place them down in the on your boat or on the grass. And I'll be showing you most of the where two of the eggs are. I have like 50 eggs, green eggs, and I'll be showing you. So the green eggs would be behind the tree here. Well, not all of them. They're behind some of the trees in the spawning area. So if you go on them, this will come up, and then you can place them. See, I'll show you where those eggs are. I can't do videos on computers because I don't have a channel on my computer yet. So the gold eggs are at the end, when you reach to the end. Show you how many eggs I have. I have 68 green eggs, 11 purple-ish eggs. I'll go on a different team. So it must be an egg. So just keep changing teams and then go on a new server, and then you can get more eggs. And this also is the same thing on Halloween, but they're pumpkins, which looks better. This is where the other area is, where the purple-ish eggs are. Shout out to Nonu Plays. Sorry if I said it wrong. Because he's been in nearly all my vids, Roblox vids. So there's one here. They'll be on the, and there's one. So if you can see the pine tree over there, it would be over there. Let me see. I can't check. There's one up there, definitely. No? So there would be, I'll change teams. I'll go on the black team, if anybody's on that team. I'll just get this egg first. I don't think my sound's very good on, because you can't hear my real voice. This is not actually what my real voice is. It's my very deep voice. Let me see if it's over there. Yeah. And there's also, the blue eggs are up here. These ones. They're up on the trees if you know how to get them. I don't have any yet because I'm on mobile. I haven't been on computer for like 3 weeks. Because I have to fix it. I might be on it tomorrow. Not sure. So I'll build up here and then jump, and then you'll be, whoa, or it would be over here. Yeah, over here. I'll see if I can jump over this way. Nah. I'll go on the yellow team. For some reason I like getting the green eggs because I think they look really cool. But there's gold, about the gold eggs, I don't know how much there would be at the end. Probably like 1. But having a gold egg would be pretty good. But I'm not that good at this game. I only have a few good things. So they would be over here, and I'll quickly end the video. See you guys. Remember to like and subscribe the video.